got a couple boxes in today, or actually got them in yesterday. Want to do a couple openings. See what we get today. Let's see. First book is Magnus Robot Fighter number 1. Came back in '96. We got a Solar number 1. He came back '98, white pages. That's a good hit. Got a Rise Zero, the matte version. I'm not really for sure what that means, the matte version. If anybody knows, they can put a comment down. I'd like to know what that means. But we got it 9.8 anyway. Got another Rise Zero matte version. Got it in 9.8. So that's two.
Maybe it's the color. I'm not sure.
Well, here's another one. That's 3 of them. Rise Zero matte version. It might be the paper they use or something. I'm not for sure. Oh, we got 3 of them in 9.8, so I'm glad about that. Absolute Vertigo. I think this predates Preacher number 1. Got it in 9.4, white pages. Add that to my collection. Magnus Robot Fighter number 5. Got it in 9.6, white pages. Flip book. Ride number 1.
That's some cool artwork.
Yeah, so the back side is ride number 1. Okay. Now here
There's
we go.
Another one.
Well, we got a Rise Zero, but this one says a glossy version.
Okay. So that's a shinier version, and the matte's kind of a...
Yeah, that one only came back in 9.6, so it's 9.6 glossy version. It's something to do with the paper, I believe. I'm not really sure. But that one only came back in the 9.6. I wish that one came back in 9.8. Here's Ride number 1. Came back in the 9.6, white pages. Exo Man of War number 1, got it in 9.8, white pages. Got another 9.6 of Ride number 1. Try to send out quite a few Valiant books this time. There's another XO number 1, ain't got it in 9.8. We got quite a few 9.8 so far.
Yeah, so far.
X-Force 116. That's the direct edition. Got it in a 9.8. Got it.
Yeah, I got it.
New Mutants 99. Got it in a 9.4 white pages. I was hoping that one would come back a little bit higher grade, at least a 9.6. Infinity Gauntlet number 6. It came back in 9.8. I'm glad I had that one in a 9.8. Infinity Gauntlet number 5 came back in a 9.8. And Infinity Gauntlet number 4. All 3 of them came back 9.8 white pages. I sent number 1 off. I had like 6 copies, and I think I got 2 9.8s and the rest 9.6s.
So we just had all these sitting out in the building.
Yeah. But I mean, they're in good shape. They're all white pages. There's a Spawn number 1, 9.8 white pages. Yeah, these have been boxed up in the building for probably the last, 15 years, 20 years?
At least, yeah.
And I'm really surprised the kind of grades we're getting. We're getting quite a few 9.8s. Here's another Spawn number 1, 9.8.
Didn't we get some Spawn number 1s in our last unboxing, maybe?
We got 2 9.8s in the last box.
So you had a lot of copies of that, didn't you?
Yeah, this one came back 9.6. But out of 3 books, 2 9.8s and 1 9.6. That's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Shadow Man number 1, 9.8. Venom number 1. Got it in 9.8. Yeah, where those boxes were, the books are bagged up and put in boxes and never really bothered again.
Just a second, it's got a glare.
You know, they sit all them years in those boxes and bags.
Okay.
I know they say you're supposed to change your bags every 3 or 4 years.
This just goes to show you can still get 9.8s.
These are bagged and boarded for at least 15 years I know of. And never changed the bag or board one. And they're coming back with white pages. 9.8 white pages. But they were in a cool, dark building though. I mean, nobody bothered them. This is a good one. Funny looking top on that. That's first speedball, I believe. That one came back a false white to white pages. Just talking about the leaving them in the same bags and boards. I guess it does bother them. That one there, off white to white pages.
We didn't get too lucky. That still a 9.8.
Yeah. Yeah, the book was in good shape. The pages just colored a little bit. And there's X23, the limited edition, I believe. I got it in a 9.8. So let's see out of this one box we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,